Hey guys, it's Eric, eMoney from Joe Bracket Breakout. You know the deal. Here is the JOBB software. We're setting up for the WASDE report, the corn report. Okay, I actually set up only with one contract for 20 ticks of profit target. I think I communicated 18 for some reason in the chat room.
Order pending.
And here is the order pending right here. JOBB was activated.
Order pending.
And then we get filled here, okay, on the buy side. And quickly I moved down my profit target down, and you'll see that I got filled. Okay, I think I only made about a handful of ticks, and that's good for about $125. Okay, that's live real trade, and you know what? I'm happy with it. Okay, I got out right over there at the R3 mid. Okay, and that's a good exit. But you know what? Hindsight is 20/20. And actually, if we would have stayed in a little bit longer, we actually would have made a lot more money. In fact, we had members in the room who actually made more money than me. And that's like always an awesome feeling. But basically, to recap, one of the things I promised during the new year is that I wanted to share more live trades. And this morning, I sent out an email to everyone saying, hey, join me at 12 o'clock. We're going to trade the WASDE. Let's get active in the chat room. And I was happy to see at least a good group of fellow traders leave. Someone that's going to be very helpful in the chat room, Procol, who basically, we're here to share our trades. So in the chat room, it was a great participation. I emailed everyone at 9 o'clock. Everyone joined me at 12 o'clock for the WASDE report. We made money. And basically, let's talk about the trade here for a second. Okay, so take a look here. Okay, in 2 minutes, as I continue to narrate the trade, you see how much money that was left on the table for us to capture on the first spike. And just like clockwork, okay, it's going to start to reverse now. Okay, it's going to go. The reversal is going to hit right now. It actually goes to the R3, and then it starts to reverse. Okay, just 1 second. So this definitely was an awesome trade. You didn't have to wait in it for, more than 5 minutes. You could have been done on this trade in 3 minutes. And if you're really sharp, okay, if you've been studying the patterns of this trade, okay, in 2 minutes you could have gotten out with the first peak, and then you could have gotten out right here as you see the reversal starting to come down. So this is what JOBB is all about. I'm glad to see we had a nice group of folks in the chat room, a handful of folks, and I encourage everyone to continue to join us in the chat room, whether I'm there or Jay is there. I know that Lee is going to be there. I know fellow JOBB members are going to be there. So bottom line is let's all join together in the chat room. Great first trade here. Okay, good for $125. And as I'm talking, you see that red candle coming down. There's your chance for entering a reversal trade. Okay, what a easy setup. Okay, you see it hit the R3, and then right at the R3, boom, you saw it had some resistance, and it starts to come down almost all the way. So whether I missed that trade, and I'm focusing now in the chat room. But if I had things aside and I just was focusing on the trade, I probably would have went for the reversal there. But bottom line is I'm happy that made $125, only one contract. Okay. All right, guys. This is Eric eMoney saying goodbye.